gonna start this video off with a little quiz, all right? This t-shirt, how does it fit me? All right, take a look. What do you think? Arm, sleeve length, right? Body length, like, how does it fit me? If you answered bad, it's too small, you would be correct. If you said, I think it looks good, then you need this video more than most people. Gentlemen, today, here's the deal. It's a little t-shirt wearing tutorial. I want to go over some t-shirt do's and don'ts to make sure that you always look amazing in one of the greatest style options a guy has, which is a t-shirt. And after we go over some do's and don'ts, I'm actually going to show you a t-shirt that I recently bought that I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it fits. That if you're interested, you can grab it. This is not in any way, shape, or form a sponsored video. I just was always searching for the best t-shirt I could find. And the truth is, a lot of times styles will evolve and change. And that's one of the things like with t-shirts as well, right? Like a long line t-shirt, all right? We'll start there. Anything with a longer line, right, in the front, it's not in style anymore, all right? The old like cut style t-shirts, not in style anymore, just letting you know. All right, now it's more about a blunt cut. The other thing you need to pay attention to though is not letting that t-shirt be too small. One of the reasons why this t-shirt doesn't work is that it's too short, all right? If I lift my hands up, look at that. You can see my midsection. Brittany, I did it again. Whoops, exactly. You wanna make sure that your t-shirt, when standing like this, is coming down to midway down your crotch. If it's longer than that, the t-shirt is too long. If it's shorter than that, or after you dry it, it's shorter than that, the t-shirt is too small. Also, let's talk about sleeve length. The next thing we gotta talk about. These sleeves are too high. We talk about making sure that it's kind of showing a little bit of tricep, which is ideal, but you want it to be mid-arm. This is basically too high because it basically is just covering my shoulder. You want that t-shirt to come down midway down basically your bicep. You want to make sure it's not too long, which is another big mistake that a lot of guys make. They'll wear shirts or t-shirts that come down all the way to their elbow and you camouflage or hide the fact that you've got guns. You want a little bit of tricep meat actually showing. I'll show you what you should be looking for in a second. Next thing we got to talk about is the collar, all right? V-necks out. I love V-necks, or I love V-necks. They're not really stylish anymore for t-shirts. I would go with a simple crew neck, but the crew neck, all right, you shouldn't have it look like that, where it's all kind of like stretched out, worn out, like bacony. This doesn't look good, all right? You also don't want anything too low. I would say a standard crew neck is going to be the best option. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, depending on the t-shirt. Pockets, no. The pocket tee, I would say, is out in terms of style. It's also a much more casual option than a flat front or a plain t-shirt. Also, a little logo up on the chest, I would avoid that as well. And the reason is, once again, it's about versatility and simplicity. This, you always know when I'm wearing it, right? The beautiful thing with like a white, black, or a solid color t-shirt is that it looks great, and you can have like 5 of them and wear them often, and people aren't like, oh, he's wearing the All Saints or Polo or Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt again, right? It's more versatile. It's also going to basically, in my opinion, be more timeless. Performance, fabric, super shiny, super like 100%, you know, polyester or synthetic is out. Do not wear it. I think that if you want to wear it like training and that's your prerogative, that's fine, but wearing it out and about with like a pair of jeans or shorts or swim shorts, it just doesn't look right. It looks funny. You want to look for something that is a high quality cotton, but personally, I'm a fan of 100% cotton, all right? There are different levels of cotton. Some is a little bit softer, some is a little bit rougher, a little bit heavier. But if you find something like a Pima cotton or something that is a higher quality cotton, it's going to feel super soft and great on your skin. That's one of the other reasons why I personally don't like a heavyweight cotton, is because it's just not super comfortable. The other downside to wearing a non-cotton t-shirt is that if it does have polyester, some type of synthetic fabric or fibers, a lot of times it will smell bad. Even if like you're not a stinky dude, right? If you sweat, it just gets like the bacteria gets into the fibers and it just like stays. And then you wash it, it locks it in, you dry it, it's just a mess. And even if it smells clean out of the wash, when you put it on, right, once you get that stink in there, it's impossible, honestly, to get rid of. And as soon as you start heating up, you're gonna be like, oh my God, did I forget to wear deodorant? It's pretty gross. And so 100% cotton is personally what I'd recommend all the time. And that's pretty much it. The bottom line is this: if you put on the t-shirt and you don't like the way that it looks, feels, or fits, you shouldn't wear it. If it feels too tight on the neck, it's not the right t-shirt. If it's too long, like a dress, if it's big, if it's baggy, if it's boxy, it's not the right t-shirt. If it's too small, if it's too tight, it's not the right t-shirt. But when you find the perfect tee, I'd recommend buying a few of them, which is what I did. A few weeks ago, I went to the mall and I went to Banana Republic and I tried on their Luxe Touch t-shirts, and right away I fell in love. I love these t-shirts. They're around $50 a t-shirt, but you know where the money goes when you get it, all right? The fabric is super soft. It fits amazing, which I'm going to show you in a second, and it looks great. It looks like a premium t-shirt. It also feels like a premium t-shirt. I'll link to these t-shirts down below. Like I said, this is in no way, shape, or form a sponsored video. I just found these t-shirts. I really liked them, and if you're somebody that wants a t-shirt to fit like this, you're going to probably want to check them out. Bottom line is, it's perfect. All right, sleeve length, amazing. Not too long, not too short, snug without being super tight. The chest, nice and strategically snug, not tight though, by any stretch of the imagination. The body of the shirt, a little bit looser, not tight, but not super baggy. The length, mid-crotch, I reach up, maybe see a little pube, but not much. Also, another detail that these t-shirts have that I actually really like is right here on the side. They basically made a little slit and then a little stitch on the side just to give it a little bit more kind of like flexibility and just a little bit of a style kind of like accessory. And it's not anything like too over the top, but it really is, I think, a nice little subtle detail that makes the t-shirt look a little bit more premium than your standard, you know, straight crop t-shirt. And here it is in white. Again, the sleeve length, perfect, little tricep, not too much. The length, perfect, mid-crotch, not too long, not too short. The fit is perfect. The other thing I love about these t-shirts is this fabric, all right? The neck, it's a nice, small, low profile collar as opposed to something that's like super big. It's very comfortable and it's a little bit more stylized because it is a smaller collar or band as opposed to something that is standard like a thick, you know, Hanes t-shirt. Another reason why I love these t-shirts is it feels and looks a little bit more premium, which means I can dress it up or dress it down. I could very easily tuck this in or wear it with a pair of slacks or linen pants or underneath of a suit jacket or whatever, tuck it in and it's going to look great as opposed to like a casual t-shirt. You can't do that with, but it also looks great when dressed down with a pair of jeans, denim, shorts, bathing suit, however you want to rock it. Anyway, gentlemen, I'm going to link to these down below if you want to check them out. I personally think they are the perfect t-shirt. But bottom line is this, regardless of what you rock, you got to make sure you love it.